Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexa Jean and today I got the Jeffree Star Deluxe Premium Super Cool Box, whatever he's calling it. It was $160 and I'm ready to open it. Sorry for my lack of enthusiasm in advance. I am very happy on the inside. It is currently 9:21 at night after a very, very long day. I am wearing my glasses. You'll see my beauty lights in the way. This is a whole shit show going on, but I cannot wait till tomorrow to open this, and I am opening it now, and I wanted to record it because I bet it'll have some spooky stuff. There are 4 exclusive items in here that are only available in this box, and this was my little birthday present to myself. So why don't we just get into it, because I'm tired and I just want to know what's in here. So I have done two mystery boxes in the past. One being the Valentine's Day mystery box and one being just the general. There was like a first time one. I forget what it was for, maybe Christmas. I've done them twice now. The first time was really good. The second time was kind of got duplicates of what I got the first time. So I haven't done one since Valentine's Day. So we'll see about this guy. Halloween is my favorite holiday and I am very, very, very excited to see what he put in here. And this thing is huge. Like, look at this. This is my face. It's just massive. So let's get into it. I only have a little bit of space here. My little makeup section. I keep talking and I don't know why. My makeup section is a disaster, so it could become a problem later on me trying to set stuff up here. I don't know how many items are in here. I know it's like a $335 value or something like that. So there could be a good amount of stuff. So we'll see, but if I start scattering things, it's because I literally, this is as much space as I have, what you see here. So, just saying. Whoa! What? I didn't think it'd be pants! I got a whole freaking tracksuit. What? No! Oh, we're putting this on. What? The last thing I expected. I did not expect a whole frickin' tracksuit. This is my inner Jeffree Star. Will I ever wear this whole getup out and about? I don't know, but this is my Halloween costume, that's for sure. What? Okay, this is awesome. I'm very excited. This is very Steelers, huge Steeler fan, so I'm not mad about it. This is a little... It's so much brighter in person. Like on the camera showing up like kind of like a lime. No, this is neon yellow. Neon. The only thing is that like I'm a small on the tops but a little bit larger on the bottom for the booty. So the small's a little tight. I'm wearing leggings under it right now because I just threw it on over what I was wearing, but I would have preferred just to pick my sizes, but then I guess that gives away the surprise. It's not the end of the world. I'll still wear them, but like they're a little tight, not as baggy as I'd want for like track bottoms, but this is hilarious. Like absolutely hilarious. Did not expect this. Wow. Okay, let's get into the rest of the box. This already wins. This is enough. This is all I needed. Okay, I think I've calmed down a little bit from this tracksuit. I've just shook that this is in here. Best mystery box ever. Confirmed. Confirmed. Anyway. Let's get into some more stuff. Oh, golly. Okay. So we got, let's go into this. We got a lip ammunition. I believe this color is from his summer collection. I do have the Jawbreaker palette, but I didn't end up getting anything else. This is in the shade Yummy. Look, I'm like matching with all my new Jeffree Star. Ooh, I love the little bullets. Oh boy, now that is a color. It is a nice purpley color if my camera would like to focus. Look at that. Nice. We have something wrapped up in this. If this is the mini breaker, I'm gonna cry. I hope, but I also don't. Best box ever! Sorry, I was I'm done. So I have the mama, but now I got the baby. No way. No frickin' way. Jeffree did that. Jeffree did that. I'm geeking out. I'm geeking out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I can't. I just have to look at Orange Crush. Alexa freaking out for like 10 minutes straight. Worth every penny. I did not expect. This is the first time he's ever given out an eyeshadow palette in a mystery box. All right, and then we got a lip scrub in Cucumber Mint. It's an interesting pairing. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I do enjoy the packaging, so we can always have that. Let's give it a good sniff. Oh, that's nice. I feel like this would be very refreshing. Good if you put like a face mask on and then actually use this. I have a few of his lip scrubs and I don't really use them as much as I probably should. They're very nice. I used them like addictively when I first got them, but I just don't think to do it as much. So maybe this will get me back into it. Also, my cat's in my room, so if you hear crunching on paper or plastic, that is him. Puff, stop it. Scorpio. It's a Scorpio. Focus, focus. Why you gotta be like that? Scorpio, I'm a Scorpio. Is this a lip pencil, lip liner, you know, thing? Nice. So I have a few of these already. They glide on really nice, just like a pencil. Oh yeah, that's creamy. This is a beautiful color. This is a color I would wear. I wonder, I don't think, maybe I do. I'm gonna have to see if I actually have the Scorpio color, because if not, I need to get it, because Scorpio power, bitches. We got Venus Flytrap, which seems to be a crazy green, I think. Yeah, holy heck. That is like, wow, that's a color. Not sure when this would ever come in handy. Maybe on a cool sickening eye look if you put Frankenstein on your eyelids or something. Wow, that's crazy, but definitely a cool color. It's good because you can use these all over the face. Doesn't have to necessarily be on your lips, which not sure if it's my shade. Ooh, okay, we got a Supreme Frost. I love how a lot of this is from the summer collection. It's so new still. Like, it's not, you know, old stuff. It's not from a few seasons ago. This is brand new. It's still probably selling. I'm surprised this is so much of the new collection. Okay, so Supreme Frost, we got Caramel Kisses. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. Wow, I love these. I use my peach one every day. I use this every day, the Frozen Peach. This is like my go-to highlighter. But this one would be really good if you're doing like some cool like contouring kind of stuff. You need like some more edge to it. This is a very, very beautiful color. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is good for like tanner, not neon white people, but this is still gorgeous, especially on the eyes. I'm too excited. I'm just freaking out. It came in a little packaging. We got a little Jeffree Star reusable Halloween colored straw. And it even included the little cleanie guy. How cool. Puff came to play with. Let's see if we can get him to jump up. See, do you see his little paw? Anyway, this is awesome. I love that it included that and he just didn't leave you hanging with a metal straw. That's cool. Thank you, Jeffree. All right, and then, oh my goodness, I'm previewing the next upcoming stuff and I am freaking out. So we actually did get a liquid lip. He did not say it would be in the big one, like the special Halloween version. So we did get Zombie Kiss and it does look like a purple. Ooh, that's beautiful. Don't know when I would ever use it. I do have other purples that I have never touched to put on my lips, but this is just gorgeous. Like this, the color, like, this is stunning. Wow. So pretty. That's like giving me Frankenstein vibes right there on my hand, but like this color is something else. Wow. Oh my God, Jeffree, you went to above and beyond. Got a freaking mini lips collection. What the? Too much, Jeffree. This is too much. I was excited about the tracksuit. This is mind-blowing that you would do all this for $160. Like, this is 1,020 billion% worth it. This is awesome. I actually already have it. My Big did get it for me. Shout out to the Big. I was in a sorority. Just don't judge me. Anyway, don't come for me. Don't give me, you know, whatever Rich Flex says. Anyway, this is awesome. And she did get me this for my birthday, I think last year. And I use these mini lips all the time. I'm actually running so low on some of my favorite colors. Like, I love Anna Nicole, Unicorn Blood, Calabasas, Doll Parts. Like, these are the ones that like I use all the time, and they're always in my purse, and there's like maybe a few more wears out of them. And I was gonna order the big size, but now I got my minis, my throw in the bag go. Highly recommend these. These are the best, and I am actually so stoked that I got a dupe. Like, this is my first dupe, and it's the best dupe you could have possibly gotten. Like, I am not mad about these. I am running low. They last a good bit, but not forever. So this is so exciting. No. If my record player wasn't all kinds of messed up right now, we would be jamming the F out. What? Give us a freaking vinyl record of prom night? What? This is cool. This is iconic. This is iconic. We got freaking prom night. Look at that. It's a freaking vinyl. The freaking vinyl. It's freaking bats. This is the coolest thing ever. Like, if anything, I'm just gonna hang this up. Put like a little nail right here, like in the center. This is gorgeous. Wow. What we're all been waiting for. I got a new mirror. Do, 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 do. Watch, it's gonna be upside down. Called it. Good. Nice. Welcome back to my channel. Oh no, look, now I can do this. Welcome back to my channel. Ooh, you know, my stars. Wow, this one's like, actually you can see through it. Whoa, sorry, not to blind everybody. All right, so this is really, really cool. Let's see, this was an exclusive. I'm gonna say the straw is the liquid lip. So I guess this is also the exclusive. So these are pretty dang good for like never becoming a thing again. I mean, these are all things that you can kind of get in general. He sells the straws as packs. He does have his singles on vinyl records. I'm not sure. I think they do sell out most of the time if they're not just up on the store. The mirror is really cool. He has them in a million colors, so it's cool that I just have one personal one that you can't just go buy. So that makes it exciting. This color is gorgeous, but he does have similar ones. I actually do have one that is quite similar here. It is I'm Royalty. It is not exact, but it is very, very similar. It just doesn't have the purple shimmer to it, and it's a little bit darker. But see, I'm Royalty's on the top. That is the Zombie Kiss. Kisses or Kiss? Zombie Kiss. So Zombie Kiss is much more, you know, Halloween shimmery, but I still think it is gorgeous. I am not upset about it. This is an insane mystery box. All in all, I am honestly shook. Why don't we test out my straw actually? Because I need a little. It does suck in a good way. Well, that is all for me today. I probably should wash this. I'm disgusting. That's all for me today. This is literally the best mystery box and the best $160 I have ever spent. I am shook by what I got. I thought I would get like just another t-shirt. I thought you put in another Can't Relate shirt, just like the zombie one he had, or maybe it would have been like a werewolf paw or something, but no, he went full on out tracksuit, which is insane. I got a mini eyeshadow palette, which I would not have anticipated. Like, that was not even on my list of things that I expected. I got a lot of product I don't have. Like, the only duplicate I got was the mini lips, and those are the best thing ever, and I am not mad about that. I will have 20 packs of those for all I care, because like, they're just so convenient. If they weren't sold out, I would tell you to go buy one. I wonder what was in the smaller versions. I want to know what the other liquid lip color was. I'm sure somebody else will be posting videos. They probably have bought all 3 of them for all I know, but this is literally like, he did that. Like, this is not normal for a mystery box. Like, he has stepped up his game. This is awesome. This is especially good if you don't have a lot of his makeup. I have a lot, and I am surprised I did not get any duplicates. I am so surprised. This is so worth it. I'm shook. How many times can I say that in a video? I might as well end it. So let's leave you with that. I love it. This is Alexa Star approved, you know, because I'm a booty guru. So that is all. I will see you in my next one, and happy Halloween, ladies and witches and wizards. And I didn't plan that outro, but let's go. Okay, bye. I mean cheers. I forgot to say cheers. Okay, cheers. Help me. I'm losing it.